Brazil, Saturday, February 22, 2025. A severe storm with heavy rain accompanied by strong winds hit the municipality of Uruguaiana, the largest city in the west of Rio Grande do Sul, on Saturday, February 22, 2025 afternoon. As a result, disruption to the population and damage in several parts of the urban area of the municipality. The storm, which lasted about 30 minutes, caused roofs to be torn off houses, and trees and walls toppled in the western tip of the state of Rio Grande do Sul, Brazil. According to the executive secretary of the Uruguayan Civil Defense, Jeckson Gauche, the storm began around 2 p.m., with strong winds accompanied by light rain, lasting about 30 minutes, causing damage in several neighborhoods of the city, such as Cidade Nova, then Centro, and Rio Branco. There was a brief power outage, but the supply has now been restored. At least 2 houses suffered partial roof damage, although no one was injured. Tree branches were scattered across the street, and stuck to electricity and telephone cables. And the wall of a plot of land collapsed and fell to the side, he added. The automatic weather station of the National Meteorological Institute indicated wind gusts of 97 km/h in Uruguaiana during the severe storm that hit the city. However, the winds were not as strong throughout the suburbs. At the Rio Branco International Airport, which is on the outskirts of the city and near the BR-290 towards Alegrete, gusts only reached 70 km/h.